Hey there, welcome to Newsstream TV, happenings across the globe at your fingertip. Do well to like this video by giving it a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.
Alright guys, Nyesom Wike don dey beg Sowore as he releases fresh evidence exposing how Wike's wife transferred 3 US properties to their children. So the former presidential candidate of African Action Congress in the 2023 general elections, Omoyele Sowore, has dropped a fresh heap of documents exposing how Iberici, the wife of the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, transferred ownership of 3 properties in Florida, United States, to their 3 children. Taking to his formerly Twitter handle, the human rights activist released quite claim deed where the affected properties were handed over to Jordan, Joachim, and Jasmine, who are the children of the FCT minister, Nyesom Wike. Sowore, who has been running a verbal war with the FCT minister, claimed that the transfer of those properties located in Winter Spring, Florida, were done in 2023, a time when Nyesom Wike was about to leave office as Rivers State Governor. The Nigerian Voice understand that a quiet claim deed in a legal document that quickly transfers real estate ownership without guaranteeing a clear title. They are commonly used between family members as an easiest way to change property title. The activists allege that the assets were deliberately hidden under the name of Wike's wife, who is also a serving judge at the Nigerian Court of Appeal. He further claimed that with the fresh discovery, there could be possibilities that the minister has fought property in Florida at 113 Spring Creek Lane, Winter Springs. These are the quiet claim deed that Nyesom Wike, Con, CJSSRS, and his wife Iberici Nyesom Wike, a Court of Appeal judge, used to transfer 3 different Florida properties into the names of their children. Sowore post partly read. These transfers were done in 2023, but Mr. International Thief said that he was not aware with this discovery. It is now also clear that Wike has a fourth property in Florida at 113 Spring Creek Lane, Winter Spring, Florida, FL 32708. This explains why Wike boasted on Channels Television that he did not know his wife and children owned mansions in the United States, but the international thief has now been caught in his own web of lies. By the way, Nyesom Wike was due for follow-up treatment for a new ailment and chest infection that recently kept him in London for 2 weeks, which he was going to do under the guise of attending the UN General Assembly with Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But yesterday, the Vice President Kassim Shettima was asked to lead the delegation with 7 other ministers. Wike decided to bail out, and several state governors have also been told to stay back for now. There is no hiding place anymore. Providing explanation on the use of a quit claim deed, Sowore said corrupt officials exploit it to laundering stolen wealth. He further wrote, a quit claim deed is one of the simplest property transfer documents used in US real estate law. It allows one person, the generator, to sign over whatever ownership interest they may have in a property to another person. The guarantee, casually, it offers no guarantees. The guarantor makes no promise that the title is valid, clear, or even legitimate. In short, it transfers whatever interest the guarantor has, nothing more. Ordinarily, quiet claim deeds are used for routine family transactions. A husband adding a wife to a title, parents transferring property to children, or heirs resolving paperwork after an inheritance because they bypass warrants and details title checks. So they are cheap, quick, and often escape close screening. But this simplicity is exactly why uh, sacrificers love them. Corrupt officials exploit quit claim deeds to launder stolen wealth by transferring properties into the names of wives, children, or other relatives. They hide their true ownership on paper. The transactions appear to be ordinary family planning. In reality, they are deliberate strategies to conceal the ordinary source of illicit funds. No public sale, no market, value exchange, no visible money trail, just a quiet uh, consummate of corruption beneath harmless looking paperwork. This is precisely what Wike has done. Properties in Florida purchased with the proceeds of corruption were quietly moved into the names of his wife, herself, a senior judiciary officer in Nigeria, and their children. The pattern is a textbook case of laundering stolen Nigerian wealth into US real estate using quiet claim deeds as legal camouflage. Under US law, such transactions amount to money laundering and trafficking in stolen property, serious crimes punishable under both state and federal statutes. They are also subject to asset seizure and forfeiture under the U.S. Department of Justice. Clitocropsy Asset Recovery Initiative. So Wike's Florida deeds are the very trail of corruption. The very evidence that the U.S. prosecutors need to unveil is plutocracy and reclaim assets stolen from the people of Nigeria. So while the social media aid to FCT minister uh, could not be immediately reached for comment on the development, he had earlier ascertained that his principal never denied his wife's assets. In the Facebook post on Sunday, he wrote, talking about Larry, someone is securing public documents that are already available on the website of institutions, concealed and making noise about them. The question is, did Wike deny that his wife has properties in the USA? No, he did not. Okay, guys, these people, they keep on, you know, how do I put it? They keep on tying themselves to their lies. So why will Wike wife have such a property in the US? Nigeria has the worst leaders in the world. People like Wike that has nothing before joining politics. What was his network before joining politics? Wicked people. They will come to social media, they are making nice, this and that. You see, you don't meet or match be this. You don't meet or match be this. You don't dey twist words already. Now, yeah, go drop this one for now. I beg, drop